Salam, welcome to this tutorial. We'll explore some powerful functions: today, now, date, and text functions. Let's start with the today function. This function returns the current date, which is really useful when you want to display today's date in your worksheet. To use it, simply type equal today in any cell. If today is August 29, 2024, when you press enter, you will see the date. Remember, this value updates automatically every time you open the workbook or recalculate. Next, we have the now function. This function is similar to today, but it includes the current time as well. To use it, type equal now. So when you press enter, you see the date and the time displayed in the cell. Just like today, this function updates automatically. Now let's move on the date function. This function allows you to create a date based on the year, month, and day you specify. The syntax is equal date year, comma, month, comma, day. If you want to create a date for July 15, 2023, you would type the following and press enter. Finally, let's look at the text function. This function allows you to format numbers and dates as text in a specified way. The syntax is equal text, value, comma, format text. You can return various formats using the text function. For example, to return the full day name, you can use the format quadruple D. If you type equal text today, comma, quadruple D, it returns Thursday. If today is August 29, 2024. For the abbreviated name, use triple D, which would return THU, and double D for the sequence of the day. And same goes for month. You can also format the current time using the text function. For example, type the following and hit enter. You can combine formats to create more descriptive outputs. For example, type the following. You can also combine formatted values with custom text. For example, these functions can greatly enhance your ability to manage dates and formatting in Excel. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos for more Excel tips and tricks. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And have a good day.